Good evening.
Evening.
My name is Jeff. This is Jimmy with Carolina Supply here in Burlington, your plumbing partner. Tonight we'd like to show you a few of our Sharkbit fittings that we keep in stock, and I'm going to let Jimmy explain to you what we do with the Sharkbit fittings.
It's a easy fix to PEX, CPVC, or copper. It's a fitting that you don't have to use a crimp tool, solder, or anything like that with torches. Which we have 1/2-inch PEX here. It's a typical water line. And all you do is your 90, cut it to where it's flush, push the fitting in, locked, will not come loose. You can turn it.
Will not leak.
Will not leak. Thing about these, you can release the fitting by taking a tool. It's a Sharkbit tool, putting it over the pipe, pushing down, pulling the pipe back.
That's pretty much the only way that you can get that fitting off. Also, we don't have it out here, but copper, if you have copper pipe and it's got it's got a pinhole in it, you need to cut it, and you need to put some new pipe to it. You can cut the copper pipe. The Sharkbit coupling fits the copper pipe, and it also fits the PEX. So you can go over the copper, lock it, push the PEX in, it's locked, and continue on. And you don't have to worry with the copper anymore. You're working with the plastic. Go ahead, Jay.
Or if you have a line that's busted, you just want to cap it off, you make a cap. Same principle. Take and push the cap on, locked, line sealed.
Say that you're underneath your toilet, underneath your lavatory, underneath your kitchen sink, and you have a piece of copper. It's the wrong one. You have a piece of copper coming up through the floor. You can't solder. There's nothing. You don't want to solder. You can't solder, but you need to fix your cutoff underneath there. Just like this Sharkbit fittings here. You have your 1/2-inch copper coming up through the cabinet under the bottom. Instead of soldering, it's just like the Sharkbit. You push it on the copper. Make sure you got a clean end on the copper. Make sure it's sanded. You sand it off on the outside. Make sure it's not burrs on it. You simply push this down on the copper, just like we just pushed this on here. Push it down on the copper until it can't push it anymore. You finish through. You take your supply line, screw it on here, and hook it back up to your sink. It's a quick fix underneath your sink. We keep these straight and angle. That way, if your pipe's coming out the wall, you need an angle stop. We got those straight. It's coming up through the floor. We got those. The Sharkbit fittings, we keep the couplings, the 90s, the T's, female adapters, male adapters,
Ball valves.
caps. Keep ball valves too. We don't have a ball valve out here, but yes. Also, this push-on stop will work on PEX. If you have PEX coming through the floor, you just take this insert right here and you insert it into the PEX like that. It's a support sleeve for it, and then you push the stop right down on it like you would the copper. But you do not need this if you got copper pipe under there. We thank you and hope to see you in there.